Hi, I'm Lori Schneider from Fix Catering out of Austin, Texas. Today, on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make mini turkey and Parmesan burgers on pita bread. So our turkey burgers have been caramelizing and searing for the past few minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and flip them on over so we can get that nice caramelization on the other side. And that brownness, that's what you want. Be careful because you can burn yourself here. And we're going to let these go for another 3 to 5 minutes until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. So you'll notice that these burgers have a nice brown crust on the outside of them, and all that is a caramelization of the meat, meaning that it's forming a crust with the sugars that are in the meat. So it gives it that really unique flavor that everybody really likes that it's on the outside of the burger. Also, remember that we've got that Parmesan cheese in there, so that's also turning a nice nutty brown. And that's why it's going to taste so good.